extremely important that you have that drug patch on and that it's testable every single time you go to get it changed every 2 weeks. I got a notification that it wasn't testable, and so that's what caused us this issue. And there also was a positive from the last. Mr. Kelly?
He's back with his client.
Thank you. Mr. Lewis, you've got Broderick Gillery. It's a sentencing.
Yes.
Judge, I'm signing paperwork on Mr. Kelly's case. So.
Thank you. Damus Molfino on Broderick Kelly. Good morning, sir. You Broderick Kelly?
Roger Gillery.
Gillery, I'm sorry.
That's what I.
I don't know why I was saying Kelly, I guess because I just called Mr. Kelly's case. You're Broderick Gillery. Sorry, Ms. Molfino. No wonder you couldn't find that file. It's a sentencing. Yes, ma'am. That's because you know how to read my mind. Everybody else doesn't apparently. All right, Mr. Gillery was previously in court in cause number 25 DCCR 1716, entered a plea of guilty to the state jail felony offense of burglary of a building. I've received that pre-sentence report. Have you both had an opportunity to review the report?
I have, Judge. There is something that we definitely want to address, and I've spoken with Mr. Gillery about it. He would like to address it for Judge to.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, I was in the paperwork. I was a little nervous on talking to the.
Speak up.
I was a little nervous talking to the woman about probation,
Yep.
and I basically wanted to say that I did what I was doing.
Okay, so it gives me concern, Mr. Gillery, that you come in, plead guilty, and then you go say, well, I didn't really do it. Somebody else did it. Accepting responsibility is sometimes hard, but it's something that you do, especially as an adult and when you've done something like this. So if you didn't do this, someone else took your truck, did all those things, then we'll have a jury come in and they can decide. If you did it, then just accept the responsibility because things will go a whole lot more smoothly between now and the end of this probation, hopefully. Does that make sense? Yes. All right, anything, Ms. Molfino, other than that?
Was my concern.
All right, then, Mr. Gillery, at this time, I'm going to find that you entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, but I'm going to follow the agreement that you made with the district attorney. Defer all proceedings, place you on probation for 3 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine. You're also ordered to pay restitution in the amount of $4,600 and to follow all of the other rules and conditions of probation. If you do that, this is a great opportunity. You don't have a felony conviction on your record. And at the end of the probation, if you successfully complete it, you'll never be a convicted felon. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, found guilty, so you would be a convicted felon, and you could go to the state jail prison for between 6 months and up to 2 years. Do you understand?
Yes.
$4,600 is a lot of money to pay back. And a lot of people will think when they have restitution, I've got 3 years to do it. I'm going to wait, I'm going to sell something, or I'll wait till I get my tax refund or something like that. I want you to make payments on that every single month. Even if it's a little bit, it'll add up. Because what can happen is if you don't make payments on it, we can get to the end of your probation. You could have done everything else right. And if I find that you could have paid that restitution and you didn't, then you could still go to prison and be convicted, even though you've done everything else right, but pay that money. It's very important that that gets paid back. And if you'll just make sure, I want at least half of that, anything he pays going to that. I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed. And so you've waived your right to appeal. If you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, probation will call you up to her desk when she's ready to go to your paperwork. All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
A call for you.
And I don't think she had an attorney on that case, Judge. So if you don't mind, I'll just let her know she does not need to go down.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Molfino. Mr. Jeffries on Artist McCoy. Okay, so Mr. McCoy, you tested negative, which is great, but it is extremely important that you have that drug patch on and that it's testable every single time you go to get it changed every 2 weeks. I got a notification that it wasn't testable, and so that's what caused us this issue. And there also was a positive from the last. Looks like the one that was placed in July, so that was a little time ago, but we got that one back and it was positive for cocaine, but it's been negative since. So any issue, Mr.
Well,
Nichols?
Judge, his DWI case involves a high level of alcohol intoxication plus possession of cocaine. So that's my concern. I do expect there to be at least 2 possession cases coming. The lab website was not working this morning, so I wasn't able to double check the status on those, but I do expect that to be coming down pretty.
So you've got the drug patch on, you've also got your auto ignition interlock on. They did send me notification that that was taken care of. It's very important that you follow all of those rules. You cannot drive a vehicle without that on it. You can't borrow a vehicle. You can't, if you do and you're caught, obviously it's gonna be a violation of your bond. Your bond will be raised immediately. If you have another testable patch or a patch that tests positive, obviously that's going to be a violation of your bond, and I'll have no choice but to raise your bond as well. Do you understand? So what I'll do is let's just do, if we're waiting on, we'll do maybe about a 45-day reset, see where we can get
That
with
should
the
be
other
enough.
cases.
Get done, Your Honor.
And that way y'all have everything and we can try to get everything taken care of at the same time. Stay in touch with Mr. Jeffries. He'll let you know when you need to be back.
That's my.
All right. See ya.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.